Welcome to the full review of the Digital Luggage Scale from our short. Right away, for everyone looking for this product, the direct link to it is waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment below. Now, let us look at the features that make this a travel essential. The most important feature of a luggage scale is its strength. This one is built with a strong, durable strap and hook, and it has a maximum capacity of 50 kilograms or 110 pounds, which is more than enough for even the heaviest holiday suitcase. The high-definition LCD display is backlit, making it very easy to read in any light. It also has smart features like a weight lock function that freezes the number once the bag is stable, and it can display the weight in 4 different units. It is also designed to be the perfect travel companion. It is incredibly lightweight and has a stylish, compact design, so you can easily slip it into your handbag or pocket to take it with you, ensuring you do not go over your limit on the return trip. With over 51,000 reviews on Amazon and a #1 bestseller badge, it is a proven and trusted gadget for any traveler. Thanks for watching. So, if you are ready to end airport panic for good, remember that clickable link is waiting for you in the description.